What's up everyone? Today we have this. It's another iPhone 15 Pro, but this time in titanium blue, or blue titanium, the color. And we're going to be unboxing this one. It won't be as in-depth as my other iPhone unboxing. This one I'll just show you what you get in the box when you buy Apple's best iPhone, or at least one of their best. The better one's the Pro Max. There it is, titanium blue, very subtle blue. Almost looks like the black titanium with a hint of blue. This paper that peels off the screen has where the volume buttons are, the mute switch, and the not mute switch anymore, the action button, the power switch, and where you charge it. And speaking of charging, this one has USB-C, not seen on any other iPhone until the iPhone 15 series. Also in the box you get a braided USB Type-C cable. So it's USB-C to C, not A to C. Here it is. I think it runs on the 2.0 standard. So if you want to use the full USB 3.0 speed that your iPhone 15 Pro offers, then you'll have to get a different cable. Apple sticker, a bit smaller than before I believe, unless it's the same, I don't know, didn't get the 14. Here's some instructions. Here is the card that tells you that you don't have a physical SIM card in there anymore. Instead it uses eSIM. So that is everything you get in the box. Really two meaningful things. The iPhone and its charging cable. No power brick. You're supposed to get that yourself separately or reuse an old one. Unless you consider the Apple sticker meaningful, then there's three. Anyway, like I said, that's the title. Everything you get in the box when you get an iPhone 15 Pro. What amazes me is the size of that camera array and how thick it is. That set of cameras. It almost doubles the thickness of the phone. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.